Good day, everybody. Welcome to Resin Expression Studio. My name is Susanna Danks, otherwise known as Susie or Suze. I am a founder and everything really in this company. I do have a couple of helpers, but just wanted to introduce to you a new line of pigments which are just amazing. And this is not an official, really professional introduction. I really don't have time for that. I'm more about showing you what I've got and then just showing you how it works in an artwork. So I'm going to be quick with this one, and then we're going to get on to doing some art and trying them out. I've got some lovely greens here. Oops, don't think you can actually see them. But anywho, here it is, an electric green. Real pretty. And of course the camera is not picking up the right kind of color. This one is a misty green, and I've got a siren green, which is an amazing blue-green color. So that's the greens. And then we're going to go with the blues. Here they are. Check them out. See, that one's already doing some stuff there. You can see it here on the edge. It's already creating. This one is my steel blue. It's a much lighter color than what it's showing over there. Blue star, which is a Sirius. Which is actually a name of a star. I researched this. It just reminds me of, it's so speckly and it reminds me of a twinkly star. And then I've got an electric blue, which is also a gorgeous color. So here's the electric green and there's the electric blue. Okay, very electric. And then I've got a deep ocean blue, which is also a beautiful one for doing, seascapes and things like that. So some nice lilacs. I've got a silver rose right here. That line that you can see there, that's just a little bit of separation from the metallic and the pigment, but as you can see, it's all good inside. Just give it a little stir. That's what I do with any metallics really. I've got a Lilac Whispers. This is such a gorgeous color. Absolutely love it. And that's the lilac. That's the like violets. And then we've got our, you already know, the sterling silver. Already had that one, as well as my molten gold. Here it is. This is such a true gold. And I've also got the molten silver. It's so thick it didn't even fill in properly. And the other new ones that I've got are the rose gold. And I've got my glasses on. So this is the rose gold. And then we've got the rich copper. Beautiful opaque copper. We've got the soft brass. And we've got the chestnut gold. It's like a kind of a coffee color with specks of gold through it. It's just amazing. I don't know if you can see that there. And the deep bronze. Okay, so these are the normal kind of metallic colors, and then we've got those other colors. And there are more. There's more coming. More lovely blues, different shades of blue, different shades of purple, even reds. It's all coming, and it's all going to be in store very soon. So that's all there is to say about these. If you have any questions, do ask, and I'll be sure to answer best I can. And that's it from me. I will see you shortly in another video. Now let's do some art.